When you lose a loved one as a result of someone's neglect, there are a number of emotions that you're going to experience. With loss also comes the need to make some decisions to protect you and your family. That's why we're here. That's why I'm a lawyer, is to be of assistance to you. People ask me, how soon should I pursue my wrongful death action? Well, in Indiana, you have 2 years from the date of the neglect, not the date of death, the date of the neglect, in which to bring your action, with some exceptions that you should consult with your lawyer if you're beyond the 2-year period of time. Secondly, there will be decisions to make about where you file. Certain counties in Indiana are better counties and jurisdictions for wrongful death cases for family members. And certainly with experience, having handled those cases in counties throughout the state of Indiana over many, many years, we know which counties are going to be preferable to you. Finally, you have a decision to make based upon the facts of who it is that died needlessly as to what type of wrongful death case you may have. You may have a traditional wrongful death case if you can show that someone, a spouse, a child, was dependent upon the person who died. You have a traditional wrongful death statute and are entitled to all the financial losses and loss of affection that accompany that. If you lose a child, you also have a separate cause of action for wrongful death, wherein if that child is under the age of 20 or under the age of 23, if enrolled in a vocational program or college, you may bring what's called a wrongful death action for a child, which would include the loss of the child's services, acts of kindness, and most importantly, the irreplaceable loss of love and affection. Finally, in consultation with your lawyer, you will want to talk about where there are no dependents, but there are people who have a genuine, ongoing, and substantial relationship with the person that died, even though they're not dependents, an older grandparent, a parent, a older child, all of which, if they can meet that burden, also have what would be a wrongful death for an adult where there were no dependents. We have handled all of these cases. We have collective experience of over 100 years in handling such matters. We've been throughout the state of Indiana. We're called upon by other lawyers to co-counsel these cases. We've handled even cases of wrongful death outside of Indiana. So we know we can be of help. If you need us, feel free to call us. Thank you.